Go for Bethlehem, not so holy Bible to come. Mary born pikin Jesus Christ, them born am for Bethlehem. Mama Smith. Hey, this Christmas red than me. I just dey come back from Oshodi market. You need to see the chicken wey I buy. They will bust them all 20,000 for one. I buy. Wetin happen? 5 chicken. This Christmas I wan chop. I wan enjoy myself after all this year hustle and work. Make I chop now.
Shey no be the osusu money wey we save 120,000. You don go use take buy chicken.
No, na only 100k na I spend. 20,000 still remain. 20k still remain.
Wetin you go tell junior principal for January? School fees na 120,000 o. You don go use 100,000, remaining 20,000.
God will provide.
At least you for save. You buy one, save your longer throat till after you don pay junior school fees now. Mama junior, you know say you no get helper.
God go provide. Make I return the chicken. Make I return am. Hey, I for use to take start poultry business so. Kill them.
Comot for road Joe. No come cry give me for January. No cry give me for January. Don tell you now.